Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Island of Bryan premiered on the 7th of April 2019, in a 60-minute time slot on HGTV Canada, to start a season of 13 episodes. The TV show marks the first time a HGTV Canada show renovated a site that was open for the public to visit.
Let's help you make your mark.
The show Ryanel de Bryan, later renamed Renovation Island USA, began filming in 2018 after the Baeumlers and their children sold their forever home in Canada. They quickly got to work renovating the 18-room hotel and clubhouse, which also had 22 villas, turning it into a dream boutique hotel destination.
Let's help you make your mark.
How much have the Baeumlers spent on Renovation Island? According to reports, the Baeumlers invested $10 million up front to renovate the island and transform the once run-down Emerald Palms Resort into the chic Kerula Mar Club.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.